Hi guys, sorry I haven't been posting videos. It's just we've been having a lot of stuff to do, like the snowy weather outside, and my brother's hockey just ended and he got a medal, so he's excited about it. Yeah, so we've been having a lot of stuff going on. I'm sorry guys that I haven't been posting, but today I'm going to be posting a video about how to make an airplane. This plane, designed by Foldable Flight, it is a very nice plane. And you guys will see how you make this part go like slanted. This is an intermediate plane, intermediate / activity. So let's go. There's a rectangle piece of paper. We're going to start by folding it, hamburger style. And then, but wait, before you fold here, what you want to do is you want to fold down the top portion so they are the same size, like this. See that they're basically almost the same size. They don't have to be the same size. It doesn't have to be perfect. After you've done that, you're going to fold it up and make them the same size. Now, after you've done that, you just want to fold it in half. And then you guys are like, what are you doing? You want to fold the wings, you want to fold down this part, but what you want to do is you want to fold it down so that when you look down at this part, it's going to be a square. And then do not unfold. I'm just gonna unfold to show you. And this part, I don't think has to be perfect. Okay. See that this part is a square? See, my crease made this part is a square. So see what I'm saying? Now, you had it like this, right? When the open part is up here. Now you want to fold it up so that you have the wing parts up here. You want to fold it up so it has that. And then you want to fold this part down so you have that. But you have to fold this part down where all the creases are right here. And this happened to me once. So I made the plane, and this happened where this crease went all the way up to this point. Then you're going to have to get a new sheet of paper. And we're going to unfold those, and then you're going to fold, I'll show you. You're going to fold it, you're going to fold this part down and leave a little gap. Then fold it down. But what you want to do is, see this? You want to fold it in there. See what I'm kind of saying? Do the same thing on the other side. Leave a little gap. Chuck in the pocket. Now, you're going to open it up. So it was like this. Now, open it. Now, you're going to put your finger inside and make a diagonal crease from here to here, up here. Or you could just do it this way, where you fold this side right here, but only crease down to that crease right there. That's one of the ways, and then do the same on the other. There. Now you see that you have this. Now what you want to do is you want to fold it like that to that little triangle on the bottom. Now you're going to have that small little triangle. That's for later. Now I just need to tuck these in. Those come apart sometimes, but do not tape them. That's going to give it too much weight. Now you just want to pop up the bigger triangle and then close it so it goes in this. Now what you want to do is you're going to fold this triangle one side and then do the same on the other. And then what you want to do is you want to put your finger in there, but you want to hold the nose of the plane together. Do not put tape again, okay? And then you squash fold it. Now you're going to open it up, and then you're going to fold these two down as far as they can go. This is kind of a hard part. No, put it back in. Now what you want to do, that little triangle, what we made earlier, we're going to do with that is you're going to kind of push it down. So remember, Chris is ready. Let me just say something. Sorry, but I hope this does not ruin my video, but I just have to say I'm making my video. Mom, I'm making my video. Okay. After see in there that I pushed it down, that kind of locks the plane a little bit more. Now you want to fold the wings. And then what you want to do is you want to fold it from here down to that point. And then you're going to see that we have this. That's the slanted part on this. Now what you want to do is you want to fold this up about an inch and a quarter. Not like high though. And then do the same on the other side. Now you want to unfold those creases, and then what you're going to do, see what I did, what I folded, you want to fold this, what you want to do is you want to do a little pinch crease down here, so you're going to fold it up to your wing crease, like now that my wing crease is there, now you just want to not crease it, but like do a little small crease all around. But you can definitely crease this part, but just do a little crease. Do the same on the other side. I know this video might be long, but it actually does loop-de-loops and it might boomerang. Now, you just want to slant the plane. I just need to crease this a little bit more. Now you just want to kind of like fold these to the sides. You can do that, or you could do this, like kind of fold them like does not even crease it there. And then what you want to do back here is you just want to do a little pinch, and then that might not done anything, but I just wanted to. So this plane does loop-de-loops and I don't consider it as a boomerang, but it does loop-de-loops, like it could twirl. So I hope you guys like the plane. I know this plane is 11 minutes. I can see it up there. So I hope you guys liked my video, and I'll see you on next time. My next video, I might be doing sticky note airplanes. Okay, see you guys. Remember to subscribe and smash that like button. We'll see you on the next video. Goodbye.